Hey everybody, Ron Morrison here. Listen, I'm excited to invite you and to announce the inaugural Slow Down Your Burn Rate Conference being held January 21st and 22nd here on the beautiful Central Coast of California. Some of the most gorgeous beaches on the coast, certainly the best vineyards, most wonderful wines, great time, but more importantly, you're going to be here as a dealer principal or a general manager learning how to confidently reduce wasted expense, wasted dollars from your dealership, particularly around the world of digital marketing. You're going to leave here knowing that you can make 2019 without question the most profitable year you've ever had. You're going to learn from industry leaders and vets that have specialized for decades on how to maximize profitability yet reducing expense. Speaking of those industry vets, there's sponsors, yes, but there will be absolutely no vendors here to sell you a single thing. This isn't about selling you anything, Mr. Dealer. This is about helping you understand how to confidently reduce your expenses and still grow your dealership and be very competitive in your market, if not more so. The event again, January 21st, 22nd, the beautiful Central Coast of California. I look forward to meeting you and helping you make 2019 and beyond the most profitable years you've ever had in a dealership. Looking forward to talking to you. Have a spectacular day.